Hello everyone, it's Gary. Welcome to our channel again. So right now I need to fulfill with my premise. So the first products we choose for natural gloves. You can see this natural gloves. Right now natural gloves with a very huge demand. So many clients inquire to me about the millions box, very huge quantity. Okay. And this product is also sold very well in Amazon website. Today I will check for the three countries. The first one, that is the United States. The second one, that is Germany. The third one, that is French. I'm familiar with these three countries, so I will check these three countries Amazon and check for the best sale price. If low best sale, I will cancel the countries, okay? Or if I find the Amazon choice and also the same, okay? So that's I will open the website. This one is the United States Amazon. I type with the natural gloves, not the best seller. That is this kind of. The best seller that is this kind of gloves. Let me see. You see? So they sell price about the US dollar for 25.69 cents. 69 cents. Okay. Now let me check the Germany again. Germany have the Amazon choice, but this is the euro, not dollars. Okay. So the euro about Germany 22.78. How about French? French, their best seller is this one. This one, 24.99. So right now I need to exchange the euro to the United States dollar. Okay. So I open a website about this one. Germany price 22.78. How about how much? $26.16. Okay. French. You can see. So I will upload the I will change my company website natural glove price with the United States 25.6. Oh, let me check. 25.68. The final price will sell price for DDP price, or I send one cartons from 1.79. Okay. How about the Germany? Germany that is 2.26. Okay. The final price is 1. Okay, because if I send it by DHL or FedEx with an express to United States, that is the most cheap, and to Germany or French, that express cost maybe very high. Okay, so right now I get the final price. You can see this one. Okay. Let me check about so I will update the price and this price to my website this website. Okay. Then when I upload these videos, you can check the price where maybe the same as this one. Okay. Right now let me check about the gloves. This is just one sample for gloves, but this is not enough. Okay. So I will show you the one cartons. for different size. The most people in the United States, in European or United States, they require for the M size or L size. M and L size. I will show you what you will get from our website. Okay. Okay. This is one carton's natural gloves. I need to open this one and you see how many pieces and quantities. If you buy from our website, you will get in the one cartons. We don't sell for the. We don't retail like one box or two box, which our MOQ about one cartons. Okay, let me. Okay. This is the Inco brand and a very famous factory in China. We also have worked with another factories. Later, I will show you the factory certifications. Okay, this M size, you will get 10 box from my side. This M size, you can say. This is box. How about this one? I don't want to close. Okay, open this one. Let me show you. One box with let me say. See, or the quality is very good. Check this one. So let me take them back. This is a sample. I don't send this carton to anyone. I will keep the three style, M size, S size, and L size to my sample rooms. So this is the M size. Okay, M size. If you purchase from our website, you will get one carton this products to your home. Okay, free deliver. So let me talk about how about L size. This is L size. You can see this is L size. If you need, so I don't want to open this one. Okay, maybe I can see this one carton later outside. So this L size. But how about the qualities? As I told you, we are professional trading companies. We know how to what kind of certifications for which countries, like United States people, and people need a requirement about FDA. So let me show you the certifications. Okay, this is the factory certifications. You can notice see this one. Okay, you can see this one. This is the food test for United States, but sorry, for European country needs. This is for European country needs. There's a food test. Food test report. Let me open this one. With the 2UV food test report. Right. Let me check about the CE. Sorry, this is Inco Gloves. Yes, this one. This is the CE certifications. which can shoot for the Germany, French, United States, United Kingdom, Italy, Spanish. That's okay. Okay, this is test from the ASTM. It work for FDA requirement, and also with the FDA. This is FDA for the 510K. So our products with full of certifications and also with very good qualities. When we choose the supplies, we only choose the very very big factories because we also need to buy container quantity from these factories. So I will update the price to our website for electric gloves. This is the first products as our premise for the 13% discount for this price. Okay, so if you have interest in, you can click the like buttons and click the subscribe buttons. So if you have more people, like 1,000 people click the like, maybe I can give more discounts, like 14% discounts maybe. Okay, so this video introduction just finished. I will prepare for another videos for another products. I will update the price to our website later. Okay, see you again.